Hi guys, welcome to our channel Stuff About Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to clean up disk from PC or laptop in Windows 10 or 11. Now you have to go in your menu bar and you have to write disk cleanup over here and just hit this app and you will see this type of window on your screen. So you have to go with your drive C location and press OK. It will take some time to calculate your data. Once it's done, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you have to mark all these files. So select all these files and check mark. Please make sure you do have the check marks and then hit on OK. In this manner, you will be able to wipe out all the junks and your computer will be clean. Click on delete. In just few seconds, your all unnecessary files will be cleaned from your computer. And it's almost done. Hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next one.